Hi, it's Brian Hagenhoff here. I am going to show you guys how to create your first party. And so let me just go back so you know exactly how to get on there. So you always want to start with 31today.com. I was already logged in, so that's why it didn't ask me for my login information. You'll go to Virtual Office. You'll go to Parties, Open Parties. You'll go to New Party. I'm just going to say like Brian's launch party. Description, you can or cannot put something in there. That is totally up to you. I'm going to leave it blank for this purpose. Say we're going to do an online party. We're going to close it, say February 28th. You're going to put the hostess's name. I do suggest putting like your spouse's name or something like that, your mom's name, because you can actually, they will charge you, they will send you, basically it'll show up on your taxes as earned income off of the hostess rewards. So that's why I'm going to suggest that. We're just going to put that in here. I'm going to select, that's not going to ask you that, because you aren't going to have any information in there. Okay, so then, now if I ask you for your party link, or if your hostess wants the party link, if you scroll down right here, it says party link. If you just copy this, so you're going to highlight it, then right click and say copy, and then you can then go in and like Facebook message your hostess or whatever and share that link with them. Okay, so then if you scroll back up and go over to hostess, scroll down on that one, and it's going to have the hostess portal. So of course, if you're the hostess for your launch party, you're not going to need to do this, but when you book your first party, to send this to the hostess, you'll just go over here to the hostess portal and hit send, and that's actually going to send her the information about her party, and she can go online and invite and that kind of stuff. So I hope that helps. We'll just hit save and update. It's then going to show up under your open parties. Super easy to find it once you got that done. Hope that helps. Bye.